I said go to bed. I said go to bed. I said go to bed. I said go to bed.
Hey guys, so as you've just seen, this is a remake of my previous video of Lisa Simpson. I figured I wanted to remake it and see if I can do it with bones as well as a little bit of kind of point animation too with the vectors. So yeah, I'll show you the rig real quick. What I did, I just drew out Lisa again, broke her up into parts, the head, the neck, the body and the arm and all that kind of stuff. And this is the bone system I have. Got the head, which controls all the head. It's really ugly if I move it around because there's no smart actions on these bones or anything like that. It's just purely so I can move her around, and then I would kind of tweak the vectors where I need to. It's all set on step down here, and yeah, I'll just show you the rig real quick. So we've got the head, the eyes, obviously the nose are all just parts that I can move, the body, the arm and the other arm. So what I went and did is I put the mouth on a switch layer, so we got these different mouth shapes. Yeah, so I'll just show you the animation I made. Well, you've just seen it, but I'll just talk you through it real quick. So as you can see, I don't know, I feel like this looks a lot cleaner than obviously the frame by frame version. Obviously the volumes stay the same, the lines stay the same, her hair spikes don't kind of differ from frame to frame. It's a very clean look, whereas obviously the frame by frame is a fun way to do it by drawing each frame. This is more of a cleaner way, I'd say. And examples of like point animation was in the eye lids. So as you can see on the timeline, we've got these kind of keyframes here where I keyframed the eyes to go more, the lids to kind of drop a little bit. There, you can see the drop, and then to go angry at the end as well. Okay, my PC froze for a second there, I don't know what happened. But yeah, just little things I got. I found this way to be, it was faster when it came to animating. Obviously it took a little bit of time to break her up into parts and to rig her, but I guess in the long run it would be quicker to do it this way, where you got the mouth on a switch layer and you just kind of tweak the points as you go. I think there was a moment where I had to tweak the mouth. Was it here? Points on this. Yeah, you can see the vector here changes. That was just because it was showing something behind here. Yeah, there was a gap, so I had to move them vectors around there as well. But yeah, I just thought it was interesting to kind of try and make the same animation but with a different kind of approach. Yeah, so just a short video guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers guys, take it easy.
I said go to bed. I said go to bed.